Hey everyone, it's Rachel, and this week, instead of an art video, we're gonna do my new art room office tour. So this is the corner of my husband's office that I have been using, and it's been getting a little out of control, and so I finally cleared out our extra bedroom to turn it into something. So this is what it looks like before I have everything in there. And I was gonna do like progress photos or videos, but you'll just see what it looks like now. So here's my sewing table, and I have this light set up because it works really well. It's set up at like almost the perfect height for sewing, and I just finished some angel gowns, and there's an example. And then this cabinet is all my yarn and fabric, and the magnets stopped working, so I had to tie it closed. And here's my art desk, and what's really cool is this this thing. My husband set it up a while ago, but you can plug a bunch of different stuff in there and turn them on with the buttons. And there's my little corner. My daughter dressed the mannequin, but I was thinking of trying that out as a corner for my eBay pictures. And I started sketching for my July art room prompt, Fun in the Sun, and then my 2-year-old found it and helped me. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to redraw it before the end of July and finish doing all the art, so I might not participate in the art prompt for this month, but that's okay. On to life updates. So I was running cables for up in the attic for our surround sound, and I misstepped and fell through. Not all the way through, but I did hurt my back and I hurt the ceiling. So I've been trying to take it easy, and I haven't been doing very much art, but that's what I didn't give myself enough time to talk about everything. So you're going to see the rest of the pictures of the angel gowns that I've been finishing this last week. But yeah, I haven't really done a whole lot. That's just what's been going on. I do have a lot of things coming up next weekend. I'm working on I'll have a collab uploaded that I'm working on right now that I'm super excited about. And I have a few more collabs coming up in August/September, but I have a lot of video ideas and a lot of things to do. But sorry for the short video. I hope you enjoy my new room tour, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.